Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Wealthify Investment ISA Review My Usage Experience. Wealthify Investment ISA Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for managing your investment ISA. It's designed for individuals looking for a straightforward way to invest, particularly those who might be new to investing or prefer a hands-off approach. Key features seem to include automated investing based on your risk profile and regular portfolio updates. Their website provides details on different investment plans and fees. Their website highlights ease of use and transparency as key selling points. They emphasize a low-cost approach with clearly defined fees, and no hidden charges or contracts are mentioned. The service uses a robo-advisor approach, making investment decisions based on algorithms and your specified risk tolerance. Availability is nationwide in the UK, as far as I can tell. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Wealthify Investment ISA Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was incredibly easy. The onboarding process was straightforward, taking me less than 15 minutes to complete the initial questionnaire and set up my investment plan. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displays my portfolio performance, investment breakdown, and upcoming contributions. I particularly appreciated the simplified view of my projected growth based on different timeframes. The performance has been consistent with my expectations, and I've received regular email updates on my portfolio's performance. I had a quick question about adjusting my risk profile, and their support responded within 2 days via email, which was perfectly acceptable. I was really impressed by how clearly they explained complex investment concepts in simple terms. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated rebalancing. It takes away a lot of the stress of managing my investments myself. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. I found myself needing to use my laptop to access my account, which isn't ideal for quick checks. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Wealthify. It's a simple, efficient, and transparent way to invest, perfect for someone like me who wants a hands-off approach but still wants to keep an eye on their progress. That's my overview of Wealthify Investment ISA Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.